Good afternoon and welcome to 72 Carat Car Classics. Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove chrome from model car kits. This is something I've never done before, and actually the reason I think I've never done it before is because it seems a little bit scary, because you don't want to mess up your wheels and then your whole kit is spoiled. So the first thing you're going to need for this is some gloves to wear, which is going to be important. You're also going to need some household bleach. You can get that from any supermarket, doesn't matter what brand it is. You need some water, that's just going to top it up, and you need a bowl to put them in. You're also going to need a toothbrush. This is just going to be for the cleanup afterwards, and obviously you're going to need your alloy wheels. I've got these from a 1/24 scale Subaru kit, which I'm making at the moment. So shake up your bottle of bleach and add it to the container. You need to be quite liberal with this. The ratios of this, I've just kind of guessed it, and I've said about 70-30. So yeah, 70% bleach, and then I've topped the rest up with water. Make sure you cover the surface, obviously, because you want to make sure that the whole alloy wheel is submerged in the fluid, in the liquid. Then up to you really, you can either give it a stir and be a bit impatient like me, or you can walk away from it and come back to it in, I don't know, half an hour or so and see what the results are. So yeah, I noticed this after like literally 30 seconds. The chrome was coming off the sides. It wasn't coming off the front or the back, but it was definitely coming off the sides, and it literally just disintegrates. I thought you might get chrome peeling off and going, but it just disintegrates and into the bleach and disappears literally. So there's me. I'm just going to keep stirring it up, but eventually I'm going to walk away from this and I'll come back to it in half an hour and we'll see the results. And on to the big reveal. This is after about half an hour. I'm going to get a piece of tissue to put them on, and obviously I'm still wearing my gloves because it is almost neat bleach. So one by one, just carefully take them out of the bleach, and you can just put them on tissue paper. There we go. Once you've done that, it's time to go to your sink and just run some cold water and get scrubbing. I've used Fairy Liquid in this case. You can use any household detergent. And make sure you use a toothbrush and get within all of those spokes, front and back. The last thing you want to do is leave any kind of bleach on the alloy, because when it comes to painting, that has the possibility of reacting with your paint. Once you've rinsed them all off, put them on some tissue to dry out naturally. I always leave my things to dry naturally because I think if you wipe them with cloths or tissue, that residue is going to get left on the alloy. So as you can see here, the alloys look very nice. All the chrome has been completely removed. The plastic is completely intact, nothing has been spoiled or damaged, and this is after like half an hour of soaking in bleach. The emblems on the Toyota badges are still there and very sharp. Also the inner ring where the hub is also very detailed. There's a bit of flash work that needs doing on that, but that'll be up to you if you've got any on your kit. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please leave any comments below if there's any other tutorials you want to see. But thanks for joining me. Bye bye.